Hello guys, we got all these ceiling fans on this porch. There's one right here, you see, look. See how the wind turned it? It's a very windy day here right now. And this one does spin too. There's another one right here. See, that one turned because of the wind. And we got that big 5-blade one blows in the wind. And then we got these other ones right here. See, that one has broken blades because the wind actually broke 2 of the blades off. See, look, it looks really broken. Oh, here's a gust coming. Watch them all move. Look at that. And then I got one right here too. Look at the winds on every single fan. Look at this. Look at that wind. Look at the wind on this one with the chain. Look at that rocking around. Look at these. They're just shifting in the wind. Look at that wind. Yeah, it's very windy here right now. I'm going to get another shot of them for you. Outside of the porch. Video of all of them. They're all up on the porch. There's some right here. There's some right here. I can reach the blade. See, that has a broken blade. That one. 2 broken blades. And that's a big Hubber Breeze fan, it says. And we got these ones right here. Look at the wind blowing. Look at that. Look at the wind blowing on the wind. Look at what the wind's doing. And then we got that one right there with that saggy blade. For some reason, it's more bent than the other one. Now here's the shot of all of them. It goes all the way down there. They're all moving in the wind because it's windy. I want to get another shot of the other one. I don't want to get wet over there. I'm going to try to sneak their system. Ha! Here's the one right here, too. See, look, that one has a chain. Look what the winds are doing to the other fans. Look how they're moving. See that one back there, the spin? And look at these ones all rolled around. Look at that. And look at the sun. Move away from them. And get foam wet. Look at all that. Every fan I made, too. Look at all these ceiling fans on this porch. And the wind will blow them. Especially that one right there. Look at the wind look at that. Look at the wind that's blown all of them. Look at that. That looks cool. Look at the wind. I'm going to get a shot of them, like right here. Look at all of them. Look at the wind. You could get them all in the shot, I think. Like, right here. Look at all of them. They're in the shot somewhere. Yeah, look at that. Look at all that. Look at the wind on that one right there. Look at that. Look how windy it is. And they're all hanging on the gutter out here. Look at all those ceiling fans, especially all of them. They all sag. Let's look at all of them. Look at the wind blowing each one of them. Look at that big flipping Hubber Breeze 5-blade fan's really blowing around. Look at all those ceiling fans. That looks really cool. I'm going to get another shot of them too. From like right here. Yeah, look at all those fans. Look at all of them in the shot. Look how cool they look. To get them from right here too. Look at all of them. Look, they're all in the shot. They're right there. Look at all those beautiful ceiling fans. Look at all of them. They're really cool. And again, get all of them in the shot. Look at all of them. Look at all those ceiling fans. Look at all of them. They all sag. Especially look at the wind from one of them. Look at how the wind blows them. Look how cool that looks. And look when you go under them. Look. You think that's cool? You're literally under the fan. Look at all these. Look at all, like, look. Try to zoom in for you. Look at all of them. Look at that. That has a broken blade. You know that. Look at all these cool fans. One right there, one right there, and one right there. They're really flipping cool. When you like literally have all of them. Look at all of those ceiling fans. Look at every single of them on this porch. Look how cool they blow in the wind. You notice that? Yeah, it's a windy flipping day here. And look at all of them. They're spinning. Look at the one back there. Look at the one. Look at the one. Look at the one. Look at the one back there rocking around in the wind. That's cool. Look at all of these beautiful ceiling fans. There's one right there, one right there. One, they all go all the way down there. Look how cool that looks. Now on that one, and that one, and that one. And then that one right there. It's really flipping cool. Now we're going to get a video of them blowing in the wind. I was just showing you them. Look when a gust comes to those back ones right there. Look how they blow around. Look at that. And look at the wind on that one. It's spinning. Those ones are not spinning yet. Those ones back there will. Look at all those ceiling fans. Especially look at this gust coming. Look what it's going to do to the fan. Look. Look at from the op shot of it. Look how it's blowing. Look at that. Look at the one. Look at that one right there. Look how that one's rocking around. Look at all those ceiling fans. All those beautiful things. They even sag too. Is even more realistic. Look, they're all. Some of them are broken too, but they still rock around in the wind, but they don't spin. Look at the one back there spinning. It's really cool. Look at all the ceiling fans. It's really flipping cool. Look, I really got a good shot of them. Look at that fan right there rocking around. Ceiling fan right there rocking around. Those ones rocking around. Look at that one right there, that big one with the chain. That's my big ceiling fan. That big thing. Beautiful fan. I know you've seen this fan several times, but I was in Tifton, Georgia. And I was over there in Tifton, Georgia because I was making some videos there. You see me in Tifton, Georgia. I'm all the way back home now, see? All the way back home. Look at all those beautiful ceiling fans. I'm going to get an angle over here, too. Look at all of them. You can't see that one, but you can see all those. Look at all those beautiful flipping fans. Especially, look what the wind's doing to them. Look at that. Look what the heck the wind's doing to it. Look, it's blowing it crooked. Look how cool that is. Look how it's rocking around. How cool that is. I get an up shot. Where's your up shot? Look at that beautiful thing in its nature. How cool that is. How it's rocking around. How cool that ceiling fan looks. See how it's spinning? That's the wind. The wind is blowing. And that one has a bent blade. It's sagging. Look at that one. Cool fan. Look at that. No, look at the wind blowing it. Look at that. beautiful fan. Beautiful thing. That beautiful, beautiful, beautiful fan blowing. Look at the wind. Look at the wind. Look what it's doing to them. Look at the wind. They're rocking them around. Look at the big one. It's also rocking around. Look how cool that is. Look at all the beautiful fans. Here's another gust for you. Look at that. Look what it did to one of them. It spinned it. You can barely see that 2-blade one. It's right there.